Tachi-san saw it!
What I saw didn't seem like something from this world. I'm Tokusa. This is about the worst day of my life. A few hours before... Yeah! Over there, Tachibana! I invited my friends over to my place and we drank while playing games. I died! That zombie was wild! This game's impossible, dude! See you later! Okay. I waved goodbye to my friends and went back inside. That was when... I thought I heard something from my TV. It turned off. Outside? I looked outside and saw zombies everywhere! I'm sure you have no idea what I'm talking about, but I also had no idea what was going on. But zombies! Right outside! It's so loud! How did I not notice until now? Are my friends okay? Yeah. Karin, is she? Please be safe! I called my girlfriend. I don't remember what I said. When I woke up, I was in the hospital.
Huh? Tokusa, are you okay?
Karin? The drugs are out of his system, so he should be fine.
Ah, thank goodness.
Huh? Where are the zombies?
Calm down, zombies don't exist. Jeez, I was so scared for you. I thought that you went crazy.
Tokusa-kun, I'll explain. According to the doctor, it appeared that I was having severe hallucinations from taking LSD. The reason why I was seeing zombies was influenced by the game I was playing earlier. LSD? What? I don't take drugs! I understand that you didn't take them of your own will. Karin-san thought you were acting strangely and called the ambulance for you. You tested positive for drugs. I talked to your two friends that you invited over the night before. Then... Huh? Tokusa? Drugs? That's impossible! Tokusa would never do that! Ah, I see. Tachibana-kun, while he was drunk, apparently mixed drugs into your mints. They look so similar. I'll mix it in here. He has been taken to the police. That was awful.
That's for sure. It wasn't that bad for me, though.
What?
That's because...
Karin, are you safe?
What is it, Tokusa? Calling me so late.
Phew, you're safe. Whatever you do, don't go anywhere!
Huh? Why?
I'll protect you no matter what happens! You're the only one I'll risk my life for!
I was so happy when you said that. I don't think that's the usual thing people say when they're high.
I don't remember at all! It really was the worst day of my life.
ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。薬物ってやっぱり恐ろしいですね。幻覚症状でゾンビがいるように錯覚してしまうなんて想像しただけでも恐ろしいですね。ゾンビ怖くないですか？もし今世界がゾンビで溢れてしまったら私真っ先に噛まれてゾンビになってしまうと思います。あ、そんなもしも話よりも薬物には手を出さないようにしましょうね。皆さんはどう感じましたか？コメント欄に書いていただけると嬉しいです。また薬物は怖いな、恐ろしいなと思った方、チャンネル登録と高評価をお願いいたします。